Hey guys, it's Remo and we're here in front of one of our newest listings in the city of Whittier. 4-bedroom, 2-bath, over 1,700 square feet. Let me show you guys inside. All right, well manicured, beautiful front yard. We have a new concrete driveway. You have an iron fence with some wood posts, updated electrical meter there, which is nice. Freshly painted, new windows, plantain shutters, little nice porch area right here. And we got the music going, so I might have to yell at the phone. So you come in, you have hardwood floors. What I'm gonna do is just open it up a little bit. There you go. Nice big window, a bay style. Pops out. Again with the shutters. Got central AC. Be a dining area here if you decide to. Big family room towards the back. Show you guys kitchen. Nice little peninsula here. Granite countertops, newer cabinets. 42-inch, some nice elegant cabinets. Kind of galley style kitchen. You have your laundry, separate room in here. Also have a pantry, which is nice. You have bedroom number 1 right in the front. Again with the shutters, large baseboards, big finished hardwood floors. Let's go this way and then we'll take you to the backyard. This is the hallway here that leads you to 2 of the bedrooms and the other bathroom. So it's updated cabinets, quartz countertops, double sink. This beautiful, nice large shower with a sea. Pebble finish floor. Again, the nice hardwood floor. You have bedroom number 2, again with the plantain shutters. Hallway closet. And then bedroom number 3. So, bathroom number 2 is a Jack and Jill with the master. A nice sink. And you have a jacuzzi bathtub. I don't want to show you too much of the shampoos. So let's see, someone lives here, so it doesn't look like it because how nice it's put together. So this is your large master bedroom. Nice shutters. This is probably a cow king. You can see how much space you got on both sides, so really nice. And then this leads you out to that family room. See how big it is. Nice fireplace. In the backyard, which is probably one of my favorite parts of the home. So you have again, new concrete driveway all the way through the patio as well. So we've got 2-car detached garage. See a tankless water heater. This is a view from the back. Now check out this patio. So this aluminum patio with recessed lights, these large fans. Really nice for entertaining. You got beautiful grass back here. There's your central AC. You can see the speakers wired there. Again, this is all recently redone. So great area for entertaining. Show you guys the side yard. Let's see, area for the dog run. You can put a gate here, and so that is it. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Again, 4-bedroom, 2-bath, East Whittier, over 1,700 square feet of living space, priced in the mid-700s. If you're interested in checking us out, please checking the home out. Please let us know if you're working with an agent. Have your agent reach out to us. All the best, and we'll see you soon.